Kids Rhymeland.
This is my head, round and bright, thinking all day, dreaming at night. This is my eyes, blink, 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 look at the stars and give a wink. This is my nose, sniff, 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 smelling flowers gives a whiff. This is my mouth, big and wide, smile so happy, open with pride. These are my ears, listen to sound, music and laughter all around. These are my hands, clap, 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 wave to friends and give a tap. These are my feet, stomp, 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 jump so high and go hop, hop. This is my tummy, rumble, rumble, hungry belly makes a grumble. This is my hair, soft and neat, brush it daily, it smells so sweet. These are my teeth, white and strong, brush them daily all day long. Now we learned our body parts, hooray! Let's clap and dance the fun-filled way. Kitty cat jumps, kitty cat spins, clap your hands and see who wins. A funny little dance for girls and boys, kitty cat brings so much joy. Kitty cat runs, kitty cat plays, dancing around in funny ways. Shake your head and stomp your feet, kitty cat's rhyme is super sweet. Kitty cat twirls, kitty cat sings, flying high on rainbow wings. A happy rhyme for kids to try, clap along and reach the sky.
Bismillah before I eat my food. It makes my tummy feel so good. Bismillah when I start to write. My words come out just neat and right.
Bismillah before I run and play. Keeps me safe through every day. Bismillah when I tie my shoes. Helps me win and never lose.
Bismillah before I read a book. Brings me joy in every look. Bismillah before I sleep at night. Keeps me warm and tucked in tight. Every time I start something new, Bismillah is what I do. It brings Allah into my day, in every smile, in every way.
चांदनी रात में चमके सितारे, हंसी खुशी सुनाए प्यारे प्यारे। नीले फलक पर छाई है रोशनी, तारों की बातों में छुपी है खुशी। चांद कहे सो जाओ प्यारे, तारे कहीं लाए ख्वाब सहाने। माँ की लोरी नींद का पैगाम, ख्वाबों में आए रंगीन सलाम। चांद कहे सो जाओ प्यारे, तारे कहीं लाए ख्वाब सहाने। माँ की लोरी नींद का पैगाम, ख्वाबों में आए रंगीन सलाम। तकिए पे सर, आंखों में नींद, धीरे धीरे छा जाए चैन। सोते वक्त आए मीठे सपने, रात को सब सो जाए हंस के अपने। इन उर्दू तुम दो, 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 तुम दो।
I am an elephant,
Big and strong.
I am an elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that's super long. I flap my ears to keep me cool. you. With her wand she waves with cheer, whispering joy for all to hear. She sings a song so soft, so sweet. Tiny stars dance to her beat. Dreamland open, shiny and new. The fairy brings good dreams for you. कुड़ी ने ढोल बजाया जोर से, सब जानवर नाचे शोर से। कुत्ता बोला वाह क्या बात है, ढोल की धुन है सच्ची कमाल।
बिल्ली ने टोपी पहनी लाल, नाचती बोली सब बेमिसाल। बंदर लाया करतूत नए, नाच नाच कर सबको हंसाए। ओ
हाथी आया धूम मचाने, पाँव पटका ढोल बजाने। मोर ने पंख खोल कर नाचा, बकरी के ढोल पे सबको भाया।
चिड़िया बोली मुझे भी नचना, गीत गुनगुना कर सबको हंसाना।
बकरी मुस्कुरा के बोली प्यार से,
मैन जो ढोल बजता है दोस्ती के शोर से।
सब जानवर हंस हंस गए,
जंगल में मिलकर धूम मचाए। मैं ढोल
Zoom, zoom, zoom on a sled. Down the hill, my cheeks turn red. Snowflakes tickle, wind goes whoosh. Hold on tight, don't let me loose. Zooming fast and slowing down. Laughing hard, we spin around. Take your turn and ride with care. Winter fun is best to share. And please like, share, and subscribe.